Let me show you how to use Auto-Tune Pro in 4 minutes. Super simple. We're gonna do this right after the intro. Alright guys, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment. I subscribed. Let me know where you are watching me from. I will be happy. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use Auto-Tune Pro in 4 minutes. So first thing first, let's set our tempo. It's 120 BPM. Alright, the next thing you have to do is to route these vocals to the mixer track. Let's go to the mixer track, give it color yellow, accept. Alright, now listen to these vocals without anything. Now listen to these vocals without any effect. So for you to set up our auto-tune, first thing we need to know is the key. Alright, so what you're gonna do is to introduce auto key 2 from Antares, and this is gonna listen to the vocals, as you can see, waiting for transport and tell us the right key. So let's play the vocals. I want you to watch here. Now you can see it has detected D major or B minor. Alright, you can toggle between the keys by clicking over here. So let's try the B minor. Next, let's detach this on the screen. So when you are able to detect the key, next thing you have to do is to introduce your auto-tune, and I'm going to use Auto-Tune Pro. So we're going to use Auto-Tune Pro. Let's resize it to be simple. So to set our auto-tune perfectly, all you need to do is to click send to auto-tune. Alright, and this is gonna set our auto-tune key for us. So D major, as you can see. Now let's close this. Next, let's push the routine speed a little bit up, then humanize it a little bit. Alright, so now listen to the ad lib again. Now that you know how to use Auto-Tune Pro in 4 minutes, watch the next video to know how to create unique vocals using a simple plugin.